everybody, welcome back. What's special today? And in today's video I have got something really very special for me. I am very excited to make this video because there is a Good Vibes, a new launch which has attracted me crazy, and I'm die-hard fan of face gels, and Good Vibes has come out with this lovely watermelon face gel. And do stay connected and watch the full video completely if you want more details about this lovely new launch product from Good Vibes. So to start with the packaging, I am almost lost with the packaging, So to speak about the packaging, like always, the packaging is just amazing. It's so pretty, so elegant, so decent, with this golden rim and the lovely tinted bottle. Yes, like I always say, packaging is always a thumbs up for Good Vibes. And this is a new launch from Good Vibes. It's the watermelon face gel. We have aloe vera, we have orange as of now, and this is a new addition, that's the watermelon face gel. People with oily skins, preferably than mask or any serums or creams, the best suggestion for the right application on your face would be the face gels. So face gels acts tremendously amazing for all the oily skins. So here is this product for all the oily skins and for the other skin texture, but especially for oily skin, face gels are just amazing. The pricing of the product here is 175 rupees, but like I always say, purple.com always gives you a lovely discounts on each and every product, regardless whatever season you are buying. So yeah, this was the packaging. Very simple, very elegant, very classy, very nice. And let's start. I haven't opened this product yet. I'm opening this in front of you, so even I'm very much excited, especially gels. My skin is an oily skin, so my skin is really very sensitive, very oily, and I have to be so careful with my skin. That's why I avoid using a lot of makeup, because my skin doesn't allow me to. And yeah, and face gels give me bigger relief always. So I have opened this product, and there is this covering here. They have given a covering where you can just pull this lid off, and here is the content. Wow. Like I always say, Good Vibes quantity comes a little less, but the quality is just amazing. This is the content. Let me show you let me give you a closer look. Okay, take a closer look, guys. This is the lovely, beautiful pinkish watermelon gel. I am just falling for this, and let me pick some quantity. Oh my god. Let me keep it here. So I'm just trying to focus this. Hope this is getting focused. Okay, so this is the gel, light pink tinted gel. So this is the gel, light pink tinted gel, and let me apply it here. Whoa. So this is it. So this is really very smooth, very hydrating in texture, and so this is a very hydrating in texture, very smooth, and the smell is just amazing. It smells just like watermelon. Mild watermelon fragrance in this, and this is absorbing it so well, and you can just apply it on your face and just leave it. So this is absorbing so well on my skin. See, if you can look. So I have taken off the light, so this is just absorbing it so well, amazing, amazing, and lovely fragrance. See guys, I just applied and this is just got absorbed so well. Oh, this is just amazing, man. This is just amazing. Oh wow. You can just apply and it's not at all sticky. It just absorbs it so well and you get that feel, you know. So yeah, I am liking it. I am loving this one. Yeah, I'm just loving this product. Okay, so I am looking forward to use this very soon. I shall finish. First of all, gels are like, I'm mad about face gels because that gives me so much of relief for my oily skin, oily sensitive skin. So lovely. This is the product for all the oily skins, and I give a thumbs up, straight thumbs up for this lovely product. I am loving this product. Hope you have liked this product as well and the video. This product is just value for money. Seriously, this is just amazing. I shall be applying this many more times, and again I'll just check, but I've just tried and I'm liking the texture. I'm liking this. I'm looking forward to use this. If you have liked this, go try out yourself. This was my review and the unboxing of Good Vibes new launch watermelon gel, which is just amazing, amazing, lovely product. If you have liked this product and if you have liked the video and you think if this video is helpful, click on the like button so that I get motivated to get many more interesting videos for you guys on this channel. And do stay connected for many more interesting videos. I shall be back. Until then, take care of your health, stay happy, stay blessed, and I'll be meeting you soon with another interesting video. Till then, take care and bye.